Let's jump right into what we're unpacking today. We all know that exact overwhelming feeling of opening Google Analytics, right? You just get absolutely hit with a tidal wave of data. But today we are not going to just stare blindly at endless rows and columns. Nope, we're going to look at exactly how to cut through all that noise and use AI to figure out what is actually working for your business.
Seriously, it's a completely valid frustration. I mean, you can see exactly how many people visited yesterday. You know precisely how fast they bounced off your page. But let's be honest, having a mountain of data definitely doesn't equal having a strategy. It usually just equals a 2 a.m. headache where you're staring blankly at a spreadsheet, hoping a clear directive magically jumps out at you. You know what happened, but you don't know what to do next. There is just way too much data, zero clear insight, and it makes deciding your next strategic move feel, well, incredibly difficult.
And this brilliantly illustrates the core issue here. We're basically stuck between two completely different worlds. On one side, we've got the raw ingredients: traffic, clicks, page views, referral sources. But on the other side, we want the finished meal, right? We want to know exactly what is driving sales and what's actually moving the needle. The gap between those raw metrics you see and the actionable insights you desperately need, that is exactly where we waste hours trying to connect the dots. We need a bridge to get from those raw ingredients to clear insights so we can actually make some confident decisions.
Section 1. AI to the rescue.
So to build that bridge, we really have to reframe how we think about artificial intelligence. Try not to think of AI as this complex, deeply technical hurdle that needs a computer science degree to figure out. Instead, picture it as a highly accessible, incredibly efficient assistant. As our source material beautifully puts it, instead of guessing, you can make decisions based on real insights. I mean, think about how powerful that is. It's a total paradigm shift. You literally don't have to just throw tactics at the wall anymore to see what sticks. Your AI assistant processes the raw numbers, spots the hidden patterns you'd totally miss, and immediately suggests concrete improvements. Your decisions become calculated, targeted, and most importantly, backed by actual interpreted data.
Okay, moving on to Section 2, the 5-step AI workflow. Let's dive right into this.
This workflow is highly practical, and you can honestly start using it the minute we wrap up here. Let's walk through it step by step. Step 1. Open up Google Analytics. You'll want to navigate over to that left side menu, click on Reports, head down to Acquisition, and finally, click on Traffic Acquisition. Simple enough. Step 2. Observe your traffic sources. Take a hard look at where your visitors are actually coming from. Is it Google search, a specific social campaign, direct traffic? Step 3, and this is kind of the secret sauce. Look at your top performing pages, but equally importantly, note which pages have remarkably low engagement, because that is exactly where your funnel is leaking. For instance, maybe you discover your new product page gets massive traffic, but the average engagement time is like 3 seconds. That's a massive red flag that traditional skimming might just gloss over. Step 4. Copy this key data. Pro tip here though, do not grab absolutely everything. Just highlight the crucial elements: top sources, low performers, average engagement time, and your conversion rates. Which brings us to Step 5, open ChatGPT. Now for Step 5. Honestly, this exact prompt is the absolute secret weapon of our analysis today. When you open ChatGPT, you just type this: analyze this data and tell me what is working, what is underperforming, and what should I improve. Once you've typed that out, just paste all of that key data you copied right below the prompt and hit enter. It really is that simple. You are effectively handing a really messy spreadsheet over to a senior analyst and getting a comprehensive summary report back in, 3 seconds? Just think about the hours you used to spend cross-referencing all those data points manually. Now it is literally instantaneous.
Section 3. From confusion to clarity. So the crucial point is, when you run that prompt, what happens next takes you directly from pure confusion to absolute clarity. It unlocks 3 massive benefits. First up, clear insights. The AI takes those raw numbers and translates them into plain English, telling you exactly which channels are actually bringing in your most engaged traffic. Number 2, better decisions. Because you finally understand the narrative behind your data, you can choose your next steps with total confidence. It actually points out which specific pages are dropping the ball and need immediate work. Like, it won't just say high bounce rate. It might tell you, hey, your LinkedIn ads drive the most traffic, but the landing page isn't retaining them, so consider rewriting the headline to match the ad copy. Actually, scratch that. It doesn't just suggest it, it tells you exactly what to fix based on the numbers. And third, improved marketing performance. Instead of guessing at correlations or just being paralyzed by a wall of numbers, you get the exact actions needed to fix your funnel, which of course leads directly to better, measurable results.
So, what does this all mean for you? Are you ready to stop guessing and start knowing exactly what to fix? The tools are literally right there at your fingertips. If an AI assistant can find your winning strategy in under 30 seconds, Just think about what else you can optimize in your daily workflow. You have the power right now to turn a giant wall of confusing data into your most valuable marketing asset. If you found this breakdown helpful and want to keep making smarter, data-driven moves, make sure to subscribe for more tips. Thanks for joining us for this analysis, and happy optimizing.